Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today we have Allure. So this box is $15 a month and you get some pretty nifty products in there. You get a magazine. Does it tell you how much things cost? I don't remember. It does. Okay, so let's get into it. The first thing I am pulling out is by First Aid Beauty, and it is the Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. I have had their coconut serum before. I don't think it was this exact one, but I do love this stuff. I will be keeping it. That retails, ooh, I'm seeing something in here that, ooh, okay. That retails for $28. The next thing I am pulling out is a liquid lipstick by Anastasia. Oh my goodness. Ooh, in Bohemian. Okay. I love Anastasia products. And if I remember correctly, this is a collab. That's, oops, something just fell out of there. That's super pretty. I will be keeping that, so we will give it a swatch. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. The next, oh wait, what does that retail for? That retails for $20. The next thing I am pulling out is also by Anastasia, and it's a clear brow gel. I actually just bought some of this in the full size. This doesn't look like it's full size though. This looks like it's the, yeah, this is the smaller size, but I absolutely love this stuff. You guys know, if you've been with me for a while, I talk about it all the time. So there is that. And the next thing I am pulling out is from Briogeo, Farewell Frizz. Again, another brand that I love. Allure has really stepped it up. I am impressed, but they put in a palette in here and, oh wait, that Briogeo, sorry. The full size of the brow gel is $22. Yeah, that sounds about right. And then the Briogeo, the full size, is $24. And I actually own this, so I will put this in a giveaway for one of you guys. It is the Moonchild highlighter palette, and it's one of my favorite highlighter palettes. Retails for $40, and this is what it looks like. It's absolutely stunning. Absolutely. So, ooh, I'm super happy to be passing that along to one of you guys. Perfect. All right, you guys, a super short video. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Have a great day. Bye.